Earth Breeze is a company that produces eco-friendly laundry detergent sheets. These sheets are designed to be a more sustainable alternative to traditional liquid or powder laundry detergents. Here's a possible outline for a review of Earth Breeze. Introduction. Introduce yourself and the product you're reviewing, explaining what Earth Breeze is and how it works. Briefly mention the benefits of using eco-friendly laundry detergent sheets. Product review. Show the Earth Breeze product you'll be reviewing, and give a brief overview of its ingredients and claims. Demonstrate how to use the product, whether it's by tearing a sheet or using the pre-measured dosage. Discuss the texture, scent, and how well it dissolves in water. Effectiveness. Describe how well Earth Breeze works at cleaning clothes. Does it remove stains and odors effectively? How does it compare to traditional laundry detergents you've used in the past? Sustainability. Discuss the sustainability and environmental benefits of using Earth Breeze. How does it compare to traditional laundry detergents in terms of reducing plastic waste, water usage, and carbon footprint? Does it align with your personal values and beliefs regarding sustainability? Cost. Compare the cost of using Earth Breeze to traditional laundry detergents. Is it more affordable or more expensive? Is the cost justified based on the product's effectiveness and sustainability benefits? Conclusion. Sum up your thoughts on Earth Breeze and whether you would recommend it to others. Share any final thoughts or tips on how to use the product effectively. Thank viewers for watching and encourage them to consider switching to a more sustainable laundry detergent option like Earth Breeze. Remember to include close-up shots of the product, before and after comparisons if possible, and any other visuals that can help illustrate your points. Good luck with your review.